Welcome back, dear students, to Standard 6, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 7, Symmetry. Myself, Miss Komal Narute. Students, look at these objects. What do you think about them? Is all the objects are symmetrical? If an object is symmetrical, it means that it is equal on both sides. Suppose if we fold a paper such that half of the paper is coincides with the other half of the paper, then the paper has a symmetry. So, symmetry is defined as a balanced and proportionate symmetry which is found in two halves of an object. That is, one half is the mirror image of the other half. The imaginary line or axis along which you can fold a figure to obtain the symmetrical halves is called line of symmetry. So symmetry is a mirror image when an image looks identical to the original image after the shape is being turned or flipped, then it is called the symmetry. It exists in patterns. You may have often heard of the term symmetry in day-to-day life. It is a balance and proportionate similarity found in two halves of an object. That is, one half is the mirror image of the other half, and a shape that is not symmetrical is referred to as asymmetrical. The symmetric objects are found all around us in nature, architecture, and art. So here in this picture, you can see that here one half of this is the mirror image of the other half, and the shape is symmetrical. So that we call as symmetric object. Now in the next picture, you can see that shape of this figure is not symmetrical to this one. So this we refer as a symmetric object. So now we will see what is a reflective symmetry. So reflection symmetry is a type of a symmetry in which one half of the object reflects the other half of the object. So it is called mirror symmetry or line of symmetry. So a classic example of reflection symmetry can be observed in nature. So represented figure you can see here in this figure, butterfly's picture is there. So here you can see the half object reflects the other half object, or we can call this as a mirror symmetry or a line symmetry. Next is reflectional symmetry. So to know more about reflectional symmetry, you have to do one small activity. So here, write the English capital letters A, H, X in a large size on separate sheet of papers. Fold the paper so that their two parts fall exactly on each other. Mark with the dots the line which makes two equal parts of the figure. So this line is the axis of symmetry of the figure. So here you can see the axis of symmetry of the figure. So if a symmetrical figure gets divided by an axis in the figure into two parts which fall exactly on each other, so its symmetry is called reflectional symmetry. Some figures have more than one axis of symmetry. So these all are the symmetrical figures. Now we will discuss practice set 20. Question number 1. Draw the axis of symmetry of each of the figures below. Which of them has more than one axis of symmetry? So here we have to draw the axis of symmetry for each figure, and we have to find out which one has more than one axis of symmetry. So let's see solution. So here you can see we have drawn the axis of symmetry. So here you can see figure 2, 1 and 4 have more than one axis of symmetry. So these three figures have more than one axis of symmetry. Question number 2. Write the capital letters of the English alphabet in your notebook. Try to draw their axis of symmetry. Which one have an axis of symmetry? Which one have more than one axis of symmetry? So students, in your notebook you have to write the capital letters of English alphabets, and there you have to find out that which one has an axis of symmetry, which alphabet have the axis of symmetry, and we have to also find out that which one have more than one axis of symmetry. So here you can see, so alphabets having axis of symmetry, so that is A, B, C, D, E, H, I, K, M, O, P, U, V, W, X and Y. So this alphabets having axis of symmetry. Now we have to find out which one have more than one axis of symmetry. So here you can see alphabets having more than one axis of symmetry are H, I, O, X. So these four alphabets having more than one axis of symmetry. Question number 4. Observe various commonly seen objects such as tree, leaves, birds in flight, pictures of historical buildings, etc. Find the symmetrical shape among them and make a collection of them. So here in your notebook you have to take these pictures. So here some of the symmetrical objects seen in daily life are shown below. So here you can see the tree leaf, birds in flight, Taj Mahal and bats. So these all are the symmetrical objects we see in our day-to-day life. Now drawing symmetrical figure on the graph paper. So here you have to observe the figure here on the graph paper. So the line segment of AB, here you can see the line segment AB. Okay, so AB is drawn on the left side of the line L. So this is your line L. On the left hand side also we have drawn the AB. So the point A dash and B dash are as far on the right side of L as A and B are on its left. So the point A dash and B dash are the image of point A and B. So the figure segment A dash and B dash is the image of the segment AB. So verify the measuring length of segment AB and segment A dash B dash. So in the figure above, the line L divides the figure into two parts, and does these two parts fall exactly on each other? You have to verify this. Students, now we will discuss practice set 21. Question number 1. Along each figure shown below, a line L has been drawn. Complete the symmetrical figures by drawing a figure on other side such that the line L becomes the line of symmetry. So here you can see that they have given us figures. So here you can see the line L has been drawn. So we have to complete the symmetrical figure by drawing figures on the other side. Means the next side we have to draw, and such that we have to draw that line L become the line of symmetry. So this line should be our line of symmetry. So here you can see that we have drawn. So this is our line L. So here we have completed our figure by drawing figure on the other side. So such that the line L, it will become the line of symmetry. So like this we have to draw. So other side you can see we have drawn. So in the second figure also you can see that the line has been drawn, L has been drawn here. So here we have completed the symmetrical figure by drawing on the other side, and this line L is the line of symmetry. So in third figure also we have do the same thing. So this line should be our line of symmetry. Here we completed with chapter number 7, Symmetry. Thank you, dear students.